Heyo duckies, Andi Lippy here. Well, Streamerbot just got a crazy new update with tons of improvements, bug fixes, and even some incredible new features. I just want to dive straight into it. Make sure if you enjoy the video, then let myself and YouTube know by tippity-tapping that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of your Streamerbot content. Let's get into this insane update. Put your rocket for the stone. You will totally be happy to know this is going to be the last time we ever have to manually update. So I will just show you how to manually update for the last time. Jump to the Streamerbot website, link in the description, hit the download link on the left. Whilst that downloads, go to your current Streamerbot folder, give it a cheeky copy and paste it somewhere on your PC. You know, it's always good to back up before you update. Now that's downloaded, let's open the folder and copy the contents and paste it into our previous Streamerbot folder, not the newly one we copied. Wait a little while and press replace. Whilst that updates, let me tell you another mighty fine way of how you can upgrade your stream with today's video sponsor, Own.pro. This portion of the video has been sponsored by Own.pro. Own.pro have every single thing that you could possibly need for your stream in one place. It even goes above and beyond having actually partnered with Epidemic Sound for all your royalty-free music and sounds. You can also get access to over 600 overlays and alert packages. And you know what's even better? You can save yourself an absolute beastly 50% off using offer code Andi50Pro. And all purchases will help the channel out massively. All the links are in the description. Thanks Own.pro for sponsoring this portion of the video. Now that's updated, we can open Streamerbot. It will ask you to authorize it since technically it's a new piece of software on your PC. Once opened, you will see the UI has changed a little. Now we have this button in the top left with a few options in the menu. One of these is check for updates. We can now check for updates and easily apply the update without having to go to Streamerbot website. There is also access to the documentation on the Streamerbot wiki, easy way to submit your suggestions as well. And most importantly, a button so you guys can easily access the Streamerbot Patreon page and support Nate directly. Yeah, he makes this tool for free, so just do it. One of my favorite additions is the ability to easily use Discord webhooks. We have a Discord sub-action category now, so we can select basic webhook. Put in the webhook information. If you do want a full tutorial on how to do this, then let me know in the comments. We can then set what we want to be sent to Discord. We can use all the usual variables too. We can also send an image or do text-to-speech if we want to. Once you press OK, when this action is triggered, it will actually send whatever information we put in there to Discord. Easy peasy. A nice simple one Nate has added is the easy sub action that will allow you to change the color of a color source. No more having to do OBS raw and getting technical with this bad boy. Create an action. Under the OBS option, there is a color source color. Fill it out with the source in question and choose a color. You can even have an option to choose a random color. Now, every time this action is triggered, the color source will change. Some extra Twitch events have been added. There is now support for the new Twitch charity system with all the relevant events, so you can have charity-specific alerts, for example. There is also the new Coin Cheer event too. This is an experimental build at the moment as the full release over at Twitch hasn't happened yet. And there is now an event for when one of the new shoutouts have been triggered on Twitch. You can pull all of these variables too, so you can create some fun things. You can guarantee I will be making something for you guys too, so make sure you are subscribed. There is also Twitch timeout and ban events too, so you can really call out those naughty folk out on your stream, and you may as well have a little fun whilst you're at it. The last event I want to mention is kind of a big one. You can now get Shopify triggers. This means if anyone is to buy anything from your Shopify store, you can get on-stream alerts and more from this. I can already think of some fun uses for this to help drive sales. It would actually help if I had a merch store though. If this is something you would like me to do a video on, then let me know in the comments below. As I said in the beginning, there are a ton of bug fixes and updates to existing Streamerbot features. I mean, look at the size of this list. Not messing about, are you, Nate? You're a good lad. Now, everyone, go get on his Patreon. I couldn't go into everything Streamerbot has to offer in version 0.1.14 in this video, as it would be literally forever long. You can see all the patch notes on this website though. I will also leave this link in the description. I would love to know what your favorite feature is in this release, so let me know in the comments section below. I almost forgot something else important to know is that you may have to relink your Twitch account when you update Streamerbot, as Nate has added a few more scopes that Streamerbot uses. I want to say thanks to all my Coffee and Patreon members that help keep this channel alive. If you want to support the content, then please consider joining in from £1 a month. Getting all Tesco on it, every little helps, right? A massive shout out to Armed Gamer, Auditive Modality, Bongo, Fever Team, Marcus Vasquez, and Romulo Souza for being my top supporters. These literally are the MVPs of the channel. If you want to see the video I did on the free Stream Deck for Streamerbot, click up here. And if you want to see my full Streamerbot playlist, then smash over here. Catch you over there. Put your rock with a stone.